to Fun Sock Creations. My name is Anna and I'm so glad you're here. Today I'll show you how to make these two adorable leprechaun gnomes. They're easy to make and you can find the free pattern in the description below. You'll need the following supplies to make these leprechaun gnomes. First things first, make sure you plug in your hot glue gun so that it's ready as soon as you are. Now take your first sock. You're just going to dump some rice down in there as a base, putting about 2 cups in there. Now you can continue to fill it with rice or you can fill it with polyfill, just right on top of the rice. Once you have it to your desired fullness, go ahead and rubber band right at the top. Cut off most of the excess sock, leaving only about 1/2 inch remaining, and then just hot glue right in there. Then repeat that same process if you're doing both of these. At this point, set the gnome bodies aside and we're going to make the hats. We make the hats before we do the beard or the hair because we want to make sure we place the beard and the hair in the correct spot. All you need to do is take some hot glue, run it along the edge, bring this other edge, carefully meet it. Then test out where it's at on your gnome, set that aside for now, and make the other one. Now you can add some embellishments to the hats. To make the bearded gnome, remove the hat and take your faux fur and just wrap it around and make a little snip at that point where they meet. Then lay it with the faux fur down. Find about the middle spot of that. So the 6-inch spot will be our middle. And we want it to be about 5.5 inches long. So I'm going to draw a line 5.5 inches down from that center spot. Draw a straight line from each corner. Now you always want to make sure your fur is going down the beard. Now keeping your faux fur facing down, cut just the backing. Try not to cut through the hair. Now just run a strip of glue along that top and then just press it down onto that sock. Then you can put your hat on however you'd like. So to do that, make sure all that faux fur is sticking down. And just put some glue right inside the rim. Wherever you put it, it's going to be stuck because that faux fur will get messed up if you try to pick it up off of there. And then for the last touch, glue on the nose. You can glue it down low or glue it right underneath the hat. For the girl, choose a color of yarn that you think would look good. We're going to do about 12 inches. So you're going to just wrap and wrap a bunch of 12-inch length hair. That's about how thick I'm going to do each side. First thing I'll do is loop my fingers through each of the loops and then cut through it to make the ends of the hair. Now take just a little rubber band ponytail. It doesn't matter what color because this is the part that's going to be up at the top, and band that all together. Now we're going to glue this so that it's right next to the first rubber band that we did, right here. Then while that one dries, make your next set of hair. Now trim those to be the same length, then go ahead and braid each side. You can leave it just rubber band or you can use a trimmed hairpiece and go around that. Once you've braided your hair and have it all set, go ahead and test out where you want to put everything before you start gluing. And if you like that, you can actually just put the glue right on the hat and do like we did on the other one. And then to make this a little less plain on the front, I'm going to add 3 little pom-poms, kind of like buttons. After that, let everything dry and then use them as your cute decor or share them with a friend because sharing is nice. Speaking of sharing, share this video. Also subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye!